cash. We have a moto winch, remote control. It was a last second thing. This is crazy. There's a desire by the athletes to gather and put their money down. So it's rider funded, rider supported, and may the best man collect everyone's cash.
Sick.
These guys are doing this on their own. Okay, this is their own decision to come do this. So it's on them. And it's not on Moto Winch, it's not on me. So state your name.
Kevin Mesa.
Okay, would you have a tag for Instagram?
Baja Koala.
What's your name?
Zeke, Jacob Zeke.
And what's your tag?
At Zeke _.
Okay, so Josh Slay, at Slay, or Slay Josh, at Slay Josh. What's your name?
Chris Hillman .949.
Okay,
Yeah.
Chris Hillman 949.
I'm Brody Buck. My Instagram is BrodyFishBuck.
Okay, and what's your name again?
Nick Holdman, Instagram nHoldman _.
We'll agree that Josh Slay Moto Winch is not liable for any injury, any problems, anything like that, right?
Yeah,
If
it's
you
on
just
us.
all say, are you?
I just wanted to make that clear. This is just for fun. We're gonna have fun. They can do whatever they want, but it's biggest air, height-wise. First ever for Christian Fletcher. This is a nod to you, Fletcher. So yeah, it's an hour jam session, 2 pulls
tries.
each, and we just keep rotating 2 times.
Our jam session, 2 pulls each.
May the best man do the biggest air.
Biggest air win. He's going.
I see how he does it. He's talking about it.
Dude, he's got the thing down.
Casual.
Round 1, fight.
Go punch.
Dodging out of view, I feel like dark in the cover in my sleep. I handball, I handball it to you. I've had enough of experience. Can't work with these ingredients. Let's do it. I've got a red belly blessing in my mind, and I'd like to invite you, but I think it might bite you. I've got a red belly blessing in my mind. I've got a red belly blessing in my mind. I've got a red belly blessing in my mind. But I think it might bite you. I've got a red belly blessing in my mind.
Yeah, Josh.
Pesos in there and everything.
Oh yeah, we got some Colombian money, some Costa Rican money.